Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix screen sharing issues in Google Meet. First, restart Google Meet or your browser. Completely close the app or browser, then reopen it. Refresh the page and rejoin the meeting. Ask the host to enable share their screen in host controls. Make sure you're not already sharing another screen or tab. Unminimize the window you're presenting. A minimized window shows a black screen. Don't share the Google Meet tab itself. Open a new browser window. If someone else took over presenting, click Resume Presenting. On Mac, enable screen recording in System Settings and Privacy and Security. Update your browser or the Meet app. Try using another browser like Firefox or Edge. And that's it. That's how to fix screen sharing issues in Google Meet. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.